Hello everyone. Today my topic is life is math, not magic. A different topic I'm going to speak today, and that's why I say life is like in other words, the life is a square plus b square. What does that mean? Take any aspect of life, any experience, any performance, anything. There is always exist a pattern. There is always exist an equation, and that is why you can't expect some miracles in the life. Life is not a magic; it's a math. So, but what is important in this is to find out this pattern, which pattern is going to help us in that situation or in that particular context. So, when we talk about this pattern, we must find the pattern in whatever we want to achieve. Let's say a simple example. Let's talk about a game of cricket. Everybody is a cricket lover. Most, not everybody, most of us are cricket lover. If you have to win the game, there is a game plan. That game plan is nothing but a particular pattern works. Maybe how the pitch is going to play on day 1 or day 5 in a test match, or whether we are saying that okay, a batsman is there, whether he is what is his weak points, how to get him out. Those are the things. Similar things happens in our individual life in a day to day. So we have to say that okay, if you have to excel into something or you have to achieve something in life, first we need to understand the pattern, how the things goes, and then just crack the code. Don't stop. Just crack the code, and once we are able to crack that code, once we are able to understand the pattern and work accordingly, then it's the things are so easy that the success starts coming in, the positive result starts coming in. So basically, life is just a mathematical equation, and in order to gain the most, we have to know how to convert the negatives into the positives. There are a lot of examples I have in my own career. One example I always keep on giving, that okay, the inspection failures which we has to happen. If we say a particular things are not happening, we say okay, do the root cause analysis. When we say do the root cause analysis, try to do the understand what is the root cause, and based on the root cause, develop the corrective action plan so you can work on this. In other words, whatever we are trying to say, when we say okay, root cause analysis means do the 5 why, ask the question why. Basically, that will guide us how the things work and how the pattern works. And based on pattern, we prepare the action plan so that we follow those patterns to get the positive results. As Richard Koch, the author of 80-20 principle, he says most of our failures are in the races for which others enters us, and most of our success comes from the races we ourselves want to enter. It's a very important statement. When someone else forces us into the race of life, it may be a person, or it may be the circumstances, or it may be the situation, whatever, but it is not our willingness. Somebody is pushing us into the race. Our failure, most of the failures happens in those kind of races, and wherever we enter the race from like on ourselves with our own will, there is a success. The reason our interest to enter those races comes because we knows the pattern, and that pattern, knowing that pattern, gives us the comfort level, and that comfort level makes us easy to win the race. So basically, it's that pattern, that equation, and that code, and that is why it looks like a magic, but actually it's not magic, it's a pure mathematics. So life is not the magic, it's a math. Thank you. If you like my recordings, please do subscribe to my channels. Thank you very much.